mayroon na pong witness, no? Laban po kay Martin Romualdez, mga kababa. Madami. Naku, meron na pong witness. Mga bossing, pakinggan ho natin, ha?
Nang ma-dispose na natin yung dalawang bagong witnesses, nakapag-administer na ba ito?
Hindi pa.
Kindly administer the oath to Maria and Joy. Hindi ito yung mga real names nila, pero kindly administer the oath to the two new witnesses. Kindly stand up.
Kindly raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this proceeding?
Thank you. Please sit down. And ipaliwanag nyo lang bakit kayo nandito.
Na daw yung witness. Laban po kay Martin Romualdez, mga kababayan. Ito na daw ho yun.
Ditong dalawa. Kayo na yung magkwento. Sige.
Good afternoon po.
But we have their real names. Nandiyan naman sa invitation. Thank you.
Okay, so we are working for our boss, Rico Ocampo, who was the previous tenant of 30 Tamarind at Forbes Park.
Oh, previous tenant ng 30 Tamarind.
30 Tamarind South Forbes.
South Forbes,
Yeah.
sir.
Kayo yung mga staff ni Mr. Rico Ocampo.
Kami po, yes po, office staff po ni
Yeah.
sir.
Na siya yung tenant doon sa bahay na naibenta noong April 2023. Go ahead.
That is
Continue.
correct, Your Honor. And then, during that time, January 29, we were CC'd sa email sa boss namin that we are being evicted January 31 at 3 p.m. Dapat nakalabas na kami ng place. Unfortunately, sa sobrang dami po ng gamit, we weren't able to comply with our deadline. So, we have asked TJ.
Sandali, ma'am. Oy, ma'am Neng Gigi, saan ka pupunta? Mamaya ka na umalis. Lagi ka naman umaalis. No, dito ka muna mamaya na. Ito merong witness laban kay Martin Romualdez. Sabi ni Shiro Kasaki, live? Oh, pakinggan nun natin. Oh, yung witness, laban daw po kay Martin Romualdez.
TJ Conti, who is the broker from Turnkey Properties. Nakipag-coordinate po kami to have an extension. And we were given until February 3, I think. To, that was already 2024 po.
And eventually you were evicted. And who informed you that you were being evicted?
Evicted. Natanggal sila. Dating tenant na natanggal. Oh.
We were informed by our boss po. It was parang email po ng law firm. And then sinisi po kami ng boss namin for us to be aware that we have to leave the place by January 31, 2024 at 3 p.m.
Yeah, I was able to talk to your boss, si Mr. Rico Ocampo. And he made mention na meron kayong nakaharap nung you were forcibly being pushed out of the residence. Nabanggit niya si Carla Discaya. Would you confirm that?
That was February 1 po.
Yeah.
TJ Conti, he introduced us to the contractor, but he didn't mention the name.
Yeah. But how did you know that that contractor being referred to by TJ Conti is actually Mr. Discaya?
Well, actually, sir, we already mentioned to our boss nung lumabas yung mukha po ni Mr. Discaya. Nasabi ko, kamukha
Saan lumabas ang
sa
mukha?
TV po, when the flood control project is being brought up na.
During the hearings.
Yes, during the hearings.
Okay,
so sabi
so-
ko sa boss ko, sorry
Yeah.
about that. Sabi ko po sa boss ko, tsaka sa colleague ko, tingnan nyo nga, ma'am, tingnan mo pong maigi itong mukha na to. Hindi ba ito yung contractor na pinakilala sa atin ni TJ Conti?
Oh, ay.
And then we both agreed na siya nga.
And he was physically there.
He was physically there. Dalawang
How long
beses-
did you talk to Mr. Diskaya?
It's less than 5 minutes po, pero kasi natandaan namin siya because he was the one manning the people na sinabihan pa na tulungan kami para mapabilis yung pag-move out namin.
Kindly narrate the conversation that took place between you and Mr. Diskaya at that point in time.
Okay, during February 1 po,
So, kwentuhan pa lang to. Kwentuhan pa lang. Hinihintay ko kung maglalabas sila ng dokumento, etc. No, na magsusuporta at magpapatibay. O yung mga tipong mga CCTV camera na magpapatunay doon sa sinasabi
it
nila.
was just a short introduction by TJ Conti. He mentioned that he is the contractor. And then February 2, medyo nagtagal po kasi nakiusap na nga kami na we really cannot matanggal lahat ng mga gamit dahil sa sobrang dami. And he also mentioned to us na contractor ako dito Meron din kaming deadline. And then we both asked baka pwede po namin pakiusapan yung may-ari, yung bagong nakabili ng bahay.
Okay?
And then he also mentioned that si Romualdez ang nakabili. And then after po nun,
That's according to Mr. Diskaya.
that is according
Okay.
to the contractors.
Now, nandito tayo ngayon sa pagdinig, ano? Kung
Sandali. Ang sinasabi nila dito, no, parang ang gusto nila sabihin is si Romualdez ang nakabili nung bagong bahay. At ang contractor, kaya minamadali sila, ay si Diskaya. Paano natin ngayon i-connect yun sa flood control? Gusto ko lang malinawan. Medyo malayo ako Medyo paano natin i-connect yun sa flood control at paano natin i-connect yun sa mga ghost project? Si Diskaya, contractor talaga. Si Martin Romualdez, may kakaya naman bumili ng isang bahay. So kung si Diskaya, contractor, at si Martin may kakayanang bumili ng bahay, kung sakali naman papatulan natin yung sinasabi nila, ano ang connect nito sa flood control?
kita niyong personal,
Ano ang connect nito sa ghost project?
si Carla Diskaya, makikilala niyo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Pakituro niyo nga kung naandito sa loob ng session hall. Lapitan niyo na lang kung sino dyan among the resource persons. Hindi, lapitan mo na lang at hawakan mo na lang sa balikat, hindi magagalit yan.
Your Honor,
Excuse
pwede
me,
po bang...
you will be recognized later.
Okay.
No? Tuloy lang natin itong proceeding muna.
Sabi ni Ma'am Neng Gigi, baka siguro mga Diskaya involved sa flood control. Doon siguro connect, magkakilala sila or may katransaction sila. Maaaring kakilala. Kung magkakilala man, ibig sabihin yung nakakilala, sangkot na sa flood control at doon sa ghost project. Tama po ba? Ganun ba?